The other day I was talking to you about how we don't want our skin to be hanging too early. Now, if you touch your face like that and you see if there's a lot of bounce, your skin is very thin, that means that your skin needs the lost elasticity. We need to restore the elasticity of your skin. And today we're going to do that by using our very good old banana. And you can also recommend this recipe, this DIY, to your mothers as well, because they are at an age where skin hanging and they really need skin tightening. So today for skin tightening we'll use banana, and we'll also add some, क्या add कर रहे हैं मम्मा? We'll also add some curd in it to give it like a nice thick consistency, otherwise it'll just keep falling. So yeah, let's go. So I got rid of the mask. Now a few things which I want to tell you guys. First is, do not keep it for more than 15 minutes maximum. It's difficult to take banana off your skin, so do not keep it more than 10-15 minutes. And what else did I have to tell you guys? Yeah, also add something or the other in the banana. Like, do not put just banana. Next thing, what else?
A few moments later.
Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it. Yes. So it's a little clumsy, like it'll just be dropping all over. So be careful of that. It's a little clumsy mask, but the results oh so good. So you have to try it out. Banana is easily available everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.